Hi, I'm Alison. Do you know how many people don't actually finish building their online course? They have this idea, they think, yeah, I'm going to build it, they start it, never finish it. A staggering 80%. That's just crazy. Now, here's 3 reasons why I think that happens. Reason 1 is overwhelm. They see other people build out these amazing courses. They see other people do these videos, create PDFs, create worksheets, workshops, and they're like, too much. And so therefore they'll kind of move towards another task, and so it kind of gets left on the back burner. The second reason is the learning curve. There's a lot to learn in building a course, as well as creating the course content, figuring out what it is you're going to sell. You then have to look at what tech am I going to use, too many questions around the tech. Then there's all the marketing, how's all that going to happen? You go back into overwhelm and then nothing happens. And the third reason is that people are still aiming for perfection before they launch it. And when you aim for perfection, the project then becomes much bigger than it actually is. You think, oh, I'm going to create this great course, and then you think, oh, just add this in, just add this in. People are just overwhelmed with the amount of work that's involved. So what I'm here to say is, don't give up. If that's you, if you're thinking of creating an online digital program, if that's you, don't give up. In fact, all of these questions I can help you solve in my free Facebook group. The link will be below. I've got some free trainings in there that will help you exactly create a step-by-step plan to get your digital course launched. I'll explain exactly what's involved and break the whole process down into bite-sized chunks so that you can make it much more manageable. I hope that was helpful. Join me in the Facebook group, and I would love to be able to help you.